spinning around that parked vehicle here, looking for any feet. Somebody standing in front of it, maybe. You never know. I'm covering my brake as I go around it, just in case somebody opens the door and I need my foot there on the brake. Right turn at the stop sign. Signal. You did this really well here too. So you came to a full, complete stop before that thick white line. 1, 2, little shot of gas. My foot goes back to the brake, and it looks good. And then off we go straight at the lights. Covering my brake. I wasn't sure if they were. I couldn't see the driver. The wheels were still turning a little bit too. So, stopping so I could still see the last line of the crosswalk in view. Light just turned yellow. Traffic slowing down. And I'm going as he's going through the intersection. If anybody gets hit, it's going to be him, not me. Right, so I'm using him as a block, basically. A shield. Right turn. Left turn. Oh, our car is gone. I'll back it up between the gray car and the light silver car. So signal right, check my mirror, and I'm just going to stop when I see his brake light in the small window. There it is, into reverse, crank it, and I just keep an eye on that spot. I want to check over here, see how close I'm getting to that car. Looks like I got space, equal amounts of space. See, I'm making steering adjustments as I back up here. I'm using my mirrors, not the monitor. I have a bad habit of using the monitor. But it's there, so I'm not supposed to use it on the road test. And then I stop when my nose is just tucked into park, engage park and brake. Then I'll do the forward parking here for you. I'm just going to swing it around. Don't worry about that. Just get back into the laneway here. So for forward parking, once you're in your lane, go ahead and signal right.